What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby, Buy the Dip. Hope you all like the new screensaver I got on the computer back there. We got George holding the Meta with the diamond hands, that's right. I found that someone posted it on some social media, so I had to take that out, and I love it, so I got that for the new screensaver. And then we got the bull, of course, and we got the Meta logo above it because we are bullish on Meta. Now, I know the stock guys here in this short term has been very volatile. It's been very crazy. It's been up. Well, it's mainly been down, down, and down. But like I said yesterday, I bought some more shares around it was actually $3.48 was my price. And as you see, we're down at $3.30. It was down to $3.25 earlier today. But there's something circulating around about more rumors on this Tesla Meta deal. So we're going to go over that. Go over all the information. Like I said, this is all just speculative information, but we're going to cover it and see. You can put your own opinion into it, and it gives us something to look forward to in the future. So guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash the thumbs up. Check out my links down below, and let's get to the video. All right, guys, so there is this post here that was put up on Reddit, and we're going to go over it. He says, well, I hope this is not the real Mmat tech office. Found it on Twitter, no comments, but any explanation would be appreciated. Now, before we get into the actual what people commented down below, I went to the actual person's Twitter page that posted this, Terry Lynn Young. So I went to her Twitter page, and these are the pictures that is on her post. So here you can see, if you click here, she looks like she posted this to someone else that covers Meta. So it looks like Sterling. Hey Sterling, I was going to inbox these to you, but couldn't. Said no FUD, just facts. Same building, that's all I know. I drove by today while I waited for my daughter to have her wisdom teeth pulled out, practically next door to this. Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. So we clicked the pictures here, and you can see right there, it says Metamaterial Tech Lamba. So right there is that, and then right beside it, you got Tesla Canada R&D. And as you can see from like the dock, the railing, everything there, the color of the paint on the concrete, it's all exactly the same. So there has been a lot of research that people did some due diligence on, and that Metamaterials and Tesla do share the same building. Now, an interesting fact is, from what we got on people's due diligence, that neither Tesla or Meta owns this building. They're just renting the building. There was some people that had concerns about the shape of the building, but they don't own it. They're just, renting the building. So if we scroll down here on this post, there is a couple great comments that people do, give their good input on. So this person here says there's plenty of pictures and screenshots, etc., confirming research addresses of both companies are at the same building. That is interesting. And this person here says, wow, see, it's true that the guy's dream was right. Tesla and MAT are in bed. This is true. This was Meta before the merger and before the influx of investor cash, less than 3 months ago. Someone here says it looks photoshopped, so there's a little bit of a bear on there. So here's what it says. Well, I doubted that too. This person, I checked the address. 1 Research Drive, Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, B2Y4M9. Canada on Google Map, and picture is real. My only concern is why the building is in poor maintenance state. This person here answers that question. They don't own that building. They're renting it off InnovaCorp, which is a government-funded agency that invests and supplies cheap rent for startup companies. Now that they have cash, Meta is creating additional building that would be brand new. Nothing to worry about here. Even Tesla R&D building is in the same picture. I wouldn't say their company reflects the building condition. And right there, that is a good point. This person here said it's old. Meta is moving to a new building. And I do agree with that. I agree with that 100%. We know from George's tweets that they have a new 68,000 square foot facility being built. So I think this probably is the building that we have covered before, that Tesla and Meta share the same building in Nova Scotia. And now George is getting this brand new building put up. So I love it, man. Let's keep digging in a little bit more. And people ask, why would Tesla want to work with Meta? And I've came up with my own theory, but then we're also going to go over a little bit more due diligence on. All right, guys, now this is my theory and why Tesla would want to work with Meta. Hear me out. What is one thing that Tesla is trying to get better at? What is one thing, like, we know they have some competition of a lot of EV companies, but there is one EV company that's given Tesla a little run for their money. And that is with the miles per charge, the kilowatts, that's right. And as we know, Tesla is not the leader in the kilowatts miles per charge. Who is that? Lucid Motors, that's right. I own stock in Lucid Motors, guys. And here you can see, if you Google search Tesla miles per charge, their Tesla Model 3 gets 263 to 353 miles per battery. The Tesla Model S, they get 387 to 520 miles per battery only. The Tesla Model X is 343.71 miles on the battery only, and the Tesla Model Y is 244 to 326. But if we go over here to Lucid, Lucid says the base model estimate driving range of 406, which matches the touring model. The Dream Edition should go anywhere between 465 miles and 503 miles on a single charge. The Air features 113 kilowatt per hour battery pack and DC fast charging capability. That is where Tesla needs to get better at, is the kilowatts per hour on the battery. Lucid is number one on that. So, going back, why would Tesla want to work with Meta? Well, we know Meta is good with they're making products for EVs. They got anything that they can make that would be better, less energy, will help out Tesla get more range. And one thing that George does talk about is their defogging system. That's right. Their defogging system does not use any kind of electricity. So if Tesla would possibly use Meta's defogging system on their windshields, their back window, their side windows, and they're using Meta's technology on that, that would save them energy being used in the car. So just a little theory there that there's probably going to be more parts as well that Meta's going to produce to help EVs get longer range and not use their energy in the car and not use their solar charge. Now, there is an article that was out here back. This was posted by the Bloomberg Terminal, Bloomberg Markets. And this is back in February, but I think this has a little bit more leading into this whole potential rumor. And Bloomberg has a pretty good success rating on when they think something's going to happen, it happens. They were right about Lucid and CCIV. They were right about a few other things as well. So are they going to be right about Meta and Tesla in bed together working? So Torchlight Senior Secured Lender converts remaining $1.5 million of senior debt. Torchlight and Meta Materials merger date was March 12th. Here's the rumor. Meta Materials is rumored to be in works with Tesla following Elon Musk's Twitter bio on Sunday, February 21st. Metaphor. The Tesla CEO changed his bio to Metaphor, leading investors to speculate the CEO to be in the works with Meta Materials. Meta Materials and Tesla are located in the same exact location in Canada. Meta Materials has technology that is beneficial for Tesla vehicles like de-icing and defogging, vehicles of this company like transparent 5G antennas for vehicles, which was kind of leading me to think of my theory that the defogging, the de-icing, and now we got the 5G that Meta's working on is all great stuff for reasons why Meta would want to work, well, why Tesla would want to work with Meta, guys. This is kind of interesting. I think this here with that picture that lady got up there in Nova Scotia of them in the same building, actually seeing their signs on the building, and I think that's pretty cool. So comment down below, man, what do you think? Is this going to have any merit? Is there a chance that Meta and Tesla are in bed together? Leave a comment down below. I'll check them out. And guys, thank you for all your support. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.